Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Just look at what we are doing today. It's absolutely delicious. It's my easy chicken roll, or you can call it chicken pie if you prefer. So guys, come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming. Come along with me and let's do this delicious pie or roll, whichever you can call it. So guys, I'm using chicken thighs because it's moist and it's flavorful. Okay, you can use chicken breast if you prefer. I love using chicken thighs. All right, so I'm seasoning my chicken thighs with all the spices. I'll put them down in the description box for you, and then I'll mix it nicely, okay, until it's well incorporated and set it aside. So as you can see, it's quite easy to do. So guys, I'm adding potatoes. So this is how I make my potatoes. So I put some butter and then on the fire, and then I add my potatoes and I spice it up with some garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika and some salt, okay, just to make it lovely. I like spicing my stuff because it gives it a lovely taste. So guys, let's make our filling. I have some rapeseed oil and I add some chopped onion, some bay leaf, and also chopped chilies, okay, green chilies. If you don't like the green chilies, do not add it. I want it to be a little bit spicy, and I add some grated garlic and also some grated ginger, okay. Yes, it takes it to another level. So you just add it and I tell you, you are going to thank me later. All right, and add my chicken, okay. So just follow along. It's quite an easy recipe, but it makes the best filling. You are going to love this. Yeah, it smells amazing. I'm adding a little bit of curry powder. I love curry powder, okay. Yeah, it just goes very well with the chicken, I tell you. So as you can see, I did tell you it's a very easy filling, but it's so flavorful. I'm adding my potatoes, okay. Yeah, so guys, come along with me. I add my grated carrots. You can add peas if you prefer. I just like adding carrots, but you can add any vegetable of your choice. This is what I like. All right. Yes, I'm adding a little bit of water just to allow it to cook nicely. Okay, didn't take that long, so I'm adding my chopped green sweet peppers, okay. I love the smell of green sweet pepper, but you can omit this, but I really love that. It gives a really lovely flavor, so that's why I added this. And that's it. I'm adding my corn flour and I am done. Really, it's a very easy recipe, but I tell you, it's very flavorful. So try this, okay. Look at that, absolutely perfect. So guys, I'm already rolling my dough because I have showed you how to make the dough in my meat pie recipe, okay. So I will link that below for you to just look at that, and you know how I make the dough. It's a perfect dough. It's flaky, it's flavorful. Just watch that recipe and I tell you, you are going to love it. It's very easy to make. So I've rolled the dough nicely, and what I am going to do is just very easy. I am going to roll it rather than cutting them up into round pieces or any shape. This is how I'm making it, okay. So easy, and I roll it up. So follow along. Right, so all done. It's quite easy to make a lot if you do it this way. So I am brushing it with egg or milk if you prefer, and I'm going to put this into the oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, yes, see how it is. It's so good. So guys, my chicken roll is baked nicely and it's flavorful, it's tasty. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching. And guys, you can follow me on Facebook, Nana's Food World, on TikTok, okay, and also on Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye.